This tutorial will guide you how to get CBC gem on any smart TV. Now ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now this tutorial will work for any smart TV, whether you're using Samsung, Hisense, LG, or just any of the smart TVs. Now just using your remote, make sure to navigate to the Play Store. Now here's the App Store. It can be Google Play Store or App Store. Now open the App Store. And then once the App Store opens or the Google Play Store, you'll have to search for CBC Gem. Now, for my TV doesn't have the CBC Gem app. Now, here's what you need to do. If your App Store or Play Store doesn't have the CBC Gem, don't worry. Just press the home button on your remote. Now, this time, just go to your browser. So I'll have to look for my browser. Here's the browser. Just click OK to open. Now, once the browser opens, it will look like this. You'll have to search for CBC Gem. So click OK on the search bar and then type CBC Gem. So CBC and then just leave a space and then Gem. EM. Now once you type CBC Gem, click in that search. Now you'll see here the first link from CBC Gem, which is gem.cbc.ca, which is Canada. So scroll down and click on the first link here, which shows CBC Gem. Now wait for a few seconds. That's how you get CBC Gem on your smart TV. So you can either download the app or just visit their website using the method that I've shown you. And then you can just sign into your account or create an account. If you don't have, then you can watch content on the CBC Gem. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you next time.